Hi everyone and welcome back to my studio. I hope you're having a good day. We're going to play with the bloom technique again today, and we're going to use a more neutral color palette. Not those bright colors I've been using, but something a little more toned down. And I'll show you why when we get down to the canvas. Okay, today I have a level 2 12 by 12 canvas. It's on the spinner so we can have some fun. Now this week I had a lovely time. I went to visit my friends at Sherwin. I was there to pick up 2 colors, one new one and one I've used before. And while I was there, my good old friends at Sherwin asked if I would like to look at some of the mist-dyed paints they had. And I came home with 10 quarts of mist-dyed paint. If you get that opportunity to get mist dyes, you know, you can get them for little to no money. In this case, they gave me 10 for free. I bought 2, got 10 for free. This one, I don't know if this one has some of them don't have names. So this was a mist dye of what was supposed to be desert wood. But it's pretty nice, neutral, sort of beige, brownish beige tone. We're going to play with that. And on that, we're going to try a batch of different things. So in TLP, I have some Zeus. In Hippie Crafter, I have burnt Umber. In Eye Candy, I have Chrysta Gold and Hakashika and Amaterasu Silver, and 14K Nugget Gold. And then I may also throw in on this one some Athena Copper and some Zeus Gold from my Unicorn Spit. We'll see. We'll see what I like. We're going to do this in a slightly different way. Now, cell activators. This is a mixture of Golden's Quinacridone Nickel Azo Gold along with some Amsterdam Light Gold. This is titanium white. And this is my new favorite cell activator. This is Amsterdam Turquoise Blue. And this has been giving us some beautiful things. And I think that bright blue on top of all these neutral colors is really going to be lovely. Now, because of the way I want to do this paint, we're going to start on like a standard pillow on this. I want to sort of get, ooh, there's a big goober in here. Let me catch that real quick. I'm going to throw some of this down here. And we're going to spread that around. Because we're going to do a sort of a starburst type blowout. And that means we're going to do everything rather circular and then blow from the center outwards. And see how it works. So the objective is just to make sure everything is wet. It doesn't have to be all that thick a coat. Just something for all those colors to slide on. All right, so like I said, we're going to sort of work in a circle pattern. So we're going to start with putting, you know, a center dot, and then all the colors will go sort of in circles around that center color. didn't work very well, did it? This side worked well. This side is like mud, so we may have to re-blow this. It really didn't work well. All right, I think I'm going to clean up my edges and pull this off the turner, and then I'll be back. Okay, we're going to do the wet results. Not quite sure on this one, but we'll see how it dries. Not exactly what I was going for, but I'm not unhappy. It's got some beautiful coloring. I'm loving this turquoise blue against all those nice neutral tones. I was correct that that blue mixed with the gold and silver and copper would be very pretty on top of the tan. So we're going to let this dry and see what we think. See you in a bit. Okay, we have the final dry results on this one. I like this color combination. I'm still loving that turquoise blue for a cell activator, and on top of all these lovely neutral metallic colors. Really looking pretty. This center came out beautiful. So we'll have to play with these colors again. I like that combo. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you know when I upload more videos. Now this is part of our Friday with Friends train, so please check the description box for all of the links. Before me should have been Bill with Roberson Art, and after me is Billy with BCC Arts Studios. Have a wonderful weekend, everyone.